Michelle from A Simple and Perfect Plan. Today I was cleaning my bathroom in my zone 3 and I've been using this new DIY disinfectant spray for the last couple of weeks, and I ran out today, so I thought it'd be a good time to maybe share the recipe with you. I like it because it's very simple, only a few ingredients, and I have the ingredients here at home. And then also it doesn't have any artificial colors, any chemicals in it, so I feel safe using it around the home. I also read up a little bit today on the antibacterial and antiviral properties of white vinegar and of a couple of the essential oils I chose to use today, specifically the tea tree oil. And some of the reports said that the natural cleaners, including vinegar, specifically vinegar, can kill up to 80% of bacteria. So I thought that was pretty impressive. Does it kill everything bleach would? No, but I think 80% is pretty close. And knowing that I'm not using any harsh or dangerous chemicals makes me feel good. So anyway, I've been using this disinfectant spray recipe that I found on Pinterest. I also have been using some DIY all natural dust spray, and of course vinegar and water for my glass and window or glass and mirrors, which works very well. Still go back to my old favorite, the Method pink grapefruit for some cleaning. But anyway, I'll go ahead and show you. This recipe is very simple. All you have are white vinegar, which is, I believe, 5% acidity, and that's how it breaks down the bacteria. Then for the oils, you can use your choice. Today I'm going to go ahead and use tea tree. I think that tea tree really, it smells good. It smells like it's doing some good cleaning. It kind of reminds me of like the pine saw smell from when you were younger. But tea tree oil is very good. It has a lot of antibacterial properties. And then just to change up the smell this week, I think last time I used peppermint, I'm going to use tangerine because I do like citrus fragrances when I'm cleaning. Another good choice, some of the recommended choices were lavender and lemongrass. Lemongrass has some good antibacterial properties as well. So anyway, I'm going to use those two today. It takes drops of these, some water and vinegar, which I've already mixed up here. And I'm going to mix these together and put them in my glass spray bottle from, I got this from Grove Collaborative. I really love their stuff. The reason they recommend a glass bottle is so that the oils don't leach into the plastic, or the plastic doesn't leach into the mix. I do have some plastic bottles here. This one was from IKEA, a really cheap one, and I got this at Target Dollar Spot because it's kind of cute. So I'm open to anything. I do have to say the Grove Collaborative bottle I really do love because it's lasted a long time, and I like the spray nozzle, especially to work as a disinfectant spray, to spray something and let it sit. This has a really good mist that covers everything. These kind of shoot out a straight stream, so they're good, and definitely affordable, cheap bottles I had around, but this is my favorite. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and mix up my disinfectant spray now. So again, you use a half a cup of water and a half a cup of white vinegar. Any brand will do. I have my little trusty funnel here. I'm going to go ahead and just add the vinegar and water. And then, as I said, for my oils, I'm going to use tea tree oil and tangerine. Probably about 10 drops each. I like the tea tree oil to be a little stronger so I can really get the antibacterial properties from it. So we're going to do, well, let's see if I can get it going here. 1, 2, 3. All right. And you have the tangerine. I'm going to put like 5 of that in. We'll do 10. And now, excuse my hands. Once it's put together, the only thing I recommend is each time you spray it, or every couple times that you spray it, you want to go ahead and give your bottle a shake so the oils disperse well. And there you have it. Again, I use this, I spray my toilets down with it, my counters, my shower and my tub. And again, I feel like it does a really good job. I'm a nurse, and the facility I work in actually uses a vinegar-based cleaner when they're wiping down things. We also have like our chemical-laden antibacterial wipes, but they do use a vinegar cleaner. And again, the smell of the tea tree oil just has, like, to me, a really good, clean disinfectant smell. It smells like you are getting things clean. So anyway, that's how I make my DIY all-natural disinfectant spray. Please leave a comment if you have any questions, and if you like this video, please give it the thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks.